Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are driving from... Oh, they're actually paving the road on that side. The white line is going in. So we gotta definitely check that out. We're driving from Grand Spend towards Albion, and this section of the road is finished. Very nicely done. So we are giving you an update on what's going on. Now this is a 4-lane dual carriageway, but the road on this side is finished. And I was just saying while we were making a video before, the section on the right is finished. Why don't they just put in the white line and open the road? Because it's paved, it's finished. And just a while ago we saw the machine putting in the white line, so that side of the road should open up very soon. So we're heading towards Albion now. I must say, this is a job well done. I don't know if you guys remember what the road was like before. This is a game changer. You can actually drive to Yalos on a highway quality road. Marky, some sections are still being worked on, but come December, this entire section should be finished. So out here in Albion now, the 4 lanes merge into 2 lanes, and then 2 lanes go over the Yalos Bridge. So somewhere out here they are going to merge. So now the highway has merged into 2 lanes, and it continues from here to Portland with 2 lanes. So only the Harbor View to Yellow section is 4 lanes. The other section is just 2 lanes. Alright, so we're heading back towards Harbor View now. This is Albion. So we're going to continue the tour of the finished section of the road. This side of the road is practically finished. It's just to put in the white lines.